Good morning, student. Today we start with chapter 1 Geography Resource. Now, the first question is what are resource? So, basically, anything that can be used to satisfy our need is known as resource. हमारे आसपास कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ विच सेटिस्फाइड आवर नीड जो कि हमारी नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई करती है इज़ नोन एज रिसोर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल water it is our need and it is essential for our earth. We need water for so many purposes, like washing, bathing, for cooking food, etc. Electricity, we need it to live in homes. We need electricity to run electrical appliances. We all need vehicles. We all need textbooks for studies. We all need vegetables, fruits for our food, flowers for beauty, our home. So all the things are known as resource because these all are needed to satisfy our needs. So the question is, resources are very valuable for us. resources जो हैं वो हमारे लिए बहुत ही valuable हैं. We can't imagine our life without resources. One resource, different resources have different values, like a resource has its aesthetic value. Aesthetic means which gives us pleasure, like flowers हैं for decoration. Its smell gives us florist smell. In the market we sell flowers. So economic value means कि जिसको sell करके we get money or use in other things also. So they are very valuable for us. Now the question is types of resources. Basically there are three types of resources, namely natural resource, human made resource and human resources. In general form, natural resources are those which we directly get from nature, like water, air. So these are natural resources. Human made resources means which human made to ease his life, है ना. जैसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज मेड बाय ह्यूमंस, बिल्डिंग्स मेड बाय ह्यूमंस, roads, construction things, all these are human made resources. And third is human, yani human being itself is a resource because human use to human learn to how to use these resources through their skill and development. So first we discuss about natural resources. As we discussed that natural resources are obtained from land, water, animal and mines, and these resources are classified. There are subdivision of natural resources. First, on the basis of development, these resources are classified as actual resource and potential resource. On the basis of their origin, these are classified as abiotic and biotic, and on the basis of their renewability, they are classified as renewable and non-renewable resource. And third, on the basis of their distribution, ubiquitous and localized resource. Now we discuss it one by one. So first we discuss actual resources on the basis of their development, यानी कि कितने वो डेवलप्ड हुए हैं, कितना हम उनको यूज़ कर रहे हैं, उसके बेसिस पर बेसिकली resources are classified in two parts, actual resource and potential resource. एक्चुअल मीन्स हुज क्वांटिटी इज़ नोन, हमें पता है कि एट प्रेजेंट में कितनी क्वांटिटी में वो हमारे पास हैं और कब तक हम उन्हें यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ कोल इन रूल रीजन, हमें पता है कि अभी कितना कोल जो है डिपॉजिटेड है रूल रीजन जो जर्मनी का है. प्लेट्यूज ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. सो दीज आर एक्चुअल रिसोर्स मीन्स जिनकी हमें एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी पता है. Second is potential resource. These resources about which we do not have sufficient knowledge at present. यानी वो रिसोर्स जो कि हमारे पास है तो सही लेकिन हमारे पास सफिशिएंट नॉलेज नहीं है उनको कि हम कैसे यूज़ करें. मे बी हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है उनको यूज़ करने की अभी प्रेजेंट के अंदर इतनी एडवांस्ड, या किसी भी और रीज़न से. जैसे एग्जांपल यूरेनियम जो लद्दाख वैली के अंदर फाउंड है, अभी हम उसकी फुल पोटेंशियल से हम उसको यूज़ नहीं कर पाए हैं वी ऑल नो सी वाटर जो होता है वो सलाइन होता है, खारा होता है ना, इट इज़ नॉट यूज फॉर ड्रिंकिंग और अदर पर्पसेस। लेकिन अगर प्रॉपर हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजी उसकी डेवलप होती है तो इन फ्यूचर इट कैन बी यूज फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड डोमेस्टिक पर्पज। सो potential resources are those resources which have potentiality to satisfy our need, but present now we do not have sufficient knowledge to use these resources. Next we discuss about the resources on the basis of their origin. Origin के base पर यानी how they originated, resources are of two types, abiotic and biotic. First understand the meaning. Bio means life. A means absence यानी absence of life. So abiotic resources are those resources that are non-living, जो living नहीं है. Like example, land, water, air, mineral, rocks. These all are abiotic resource यानी कि that are non-living resource. Second type of resources are बायोटिक रिसोर्स. बायोटिक, बायो मीन्स लाइफ, सिंपली रिसोर्सेज जिसके अंदर की लाइफ है, इंक्लूडिंग ऑल ऑर्गेनिज्म, ऑल प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स आर एबायोटिक रिसोर्सेज. सो ओरिजिन के बेसिस पर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, बायोटिक एंड एबायोटिक रिसोर्स. Next we discuss resources on the basis of their renewability. Means कि resources can be replenished or renewed quickly while other resources cannot be renewed. कुछ resources बहुत जल्दी replenish हो जाते हैं, renew हो जाते हैं, जबकि कुछ उतना जल्दी नहीं होते. They take time to replenish. So on the basis of renewability we classify the resources as renewable resource and non-renewable resource. So renewable resources are the resource which can be renewed or replenished fast. Like if we use solar energy to generate energy or wind energy, so these are continuous resource, we get it so fast. ऐसा सूरज डेली निकलता है, डेली वी गेट सोलर एनर्जी, हवा रोज चलती है, वी गेट विंड एनर्जी. सो दे रिन्यू फास्ट एंड क्विकली. सो दीज आर द रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स. एंड नॉन रिन्यू, जो कि नॉन मीन्स नहीं और रिन्यू जल्दी नहीं होते हैं, नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज, हालांकि दे आर द रिन्यूएबल बट दे टेक मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स टू रिन्यू, सो विच इज़ वर्थलेस फॉर ह्यूमन बींग. एग्जाम्पल, coal, oil, petroleum, natural gases. So these are non-renewable resources. So we discuss about the resources, their value, their types. First we discuss about the natural resource on the basis of their development, that is actual and potential resource. Second we discuss about the resources on the basis of origin, abiotic and biotic resource. Third we discuss about the resources on the basis of renewability, that is renewable and non-renewable resource. Later in next video we discuss about the rest of the chapter.